Have you been struggling to make money online? Have you tried several methods by which you can make money online from home? Or maybe you've bought several courses online and they have not given you the result you want. Here is the good news for you. You watching this video is a 50% assurance that you are going to make money online. While following the steps I'm going to be showing you in this video is the second 50% of getting paid online. So once again, I go by the name Skywet. Follow my videos, follow my steps to see how I'm making thousands of dollars weekly, and you can make the same even as a beginner from home. Watch my video. This video I go by the name Skywet. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, you watching this video is because you want to make money from home and you want to make money online. So there are several ways by which you can make money online, but in this video you are going to be watching how I make thousands of dollars weekly on Clickbank affiliate marketing. And I know you might have heard about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is just selling a product for a company online and getting commission for each product to sell, just like selling a product for a company. And for instance, if a product costs $50, for instance, when you sell the product, the company can give you $15 as your own commission. So the higher the price of the product, the higher your commission, and the more product you sell per day, the higher your commission per day also. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I can make thousands of dollars weekly and hundreds of dollars daily. I mean $500, $700, $600 daily. So to become a successful affiliate marketer, one of the things, or the backbone of a successful affiliate marketer, one of the things you need to consider is your traffic source and how people are going to be getting access to your affiliate product online. And that's where I come in, because there are two main sources by which you can get people to access your affiliate product online. You have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Let me start by the paid traffic system. The paid traffic system is a method by which you pay affiliates or digital platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or any digital platform to create adverts for your product, and they create adverts for targeted traffic online. You can choose the location which you want the advert to be seen, and the number of people and the duration based on your budget and the price you are paying for the advert. Also, we have the free traffic system, which is where I come in. As a affiliate marketer, I'm also a software developer, and over the years, due to my problem in affiliate marketing, problem of getting people to access my affiliate product and to get great commission, I've developed several softwares, and which one of them is what I'm going to be giving out in this video. Yes, my software work by gathering more than 2,000 organic traffic daily online on digital platform and promoting your affiliate product and link to this targeted traffic for you to get commission. Yes, and with my software, you're going to be having access to daily sales like the one you can see on the screen. This is the account of one of my students. I got my software and video course for a while. He has been on the game for a while, and he has been using my software. As you can see, these are his weekly commissions. Yes, $4,500, $4,200, $4,600, $4,300. This $1,146 is because it is not, it's beginning, it is just 2 days in a week. So with my software, you're going to be getting access to thousands of dollars weekly. And for you to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform, please contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through somebody you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and get started on making money from home. Yes, even as a beginner, if you don't have any knowledge about affiliate marketing or how my software works, you don't have any problem, because I have recorded a complete video guide which will guide you step by step on how to use my software on any affiliate marketing platform. Yes, my software is applicable on any affiliate marketing platform, on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Clickbank, Shopify, any affiliate marketing platform. My software is applicable. And also, countries that have restriction on opening Clickbank, if you are getting my software and video course and you are going to become my student, I'm going to open an account for you, not minding the barrier or the country barrier which Clickbank has laid on your country. Yes, and I'm going to guide you step by step. But my video course is self-explanatory to guide you step by step on how to use my software and how to get started with Clickbank and getting paid with full cash online. So once again, I go by the name Skywet, and I train people on how to make money online. To get my software and video course, you can please contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text on Telegram through somebody I can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big. Thank you.